In this video, I'm going to be talking about this. The Midiplus Miniengine USB sound module. Let's get into it.
It's Clem, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is DJ Clem, and today we're going to be talking about this dainty little device, the Midiplus Miniengine USB. Now, it's a portable MIDI sound generator, and the USB in its name indicates that you can connect your USB MIDI keyboard controllers to it and generate sounds directly from it. So it sounds really like a great proposition, a great idea for anybody who just wants to have a trouble-free, stress-free rehearsal schedule and you don't have like an actual keyboard, or the gigging musician that wants to just pick up his MIDI controller and have some sounds for the road. So in the box you get a bunch of documentation. You get a 5-pin MIDI DIN to TS, I guess, TS, mini TS jack. You get a micro USB cable, and you get the device, let me bring this out of the bag. You get the device, the Midiplus Miniengine USB. Now, examining it, you have power button, you have a DC charging port via that micro USB that we talked about. We have a USB host port, which is where you connect your MIDI controller to. You have the aforementioned TS MIDI in, and you have a headphone jack. On the front panel, you have a USB indicator LED, you have a MIDI indicator LED, you have this little numerical display that tells you what program or how much volume or how much reverb. Then you have 3 buttons for the volume, program, and reverb, and then you have a little data knob here. All very simple, all very easy to operate. Now, the Miniengine USB is GM MIDI compatible. What that means is that it has just 128 sounds that conform to the GM, the general MIDI standard. So you have like your grand piano, bright piano, honky tonk, and all the way down to drum sets. Drum sets are on MIDI channel 10. Let's get into how it sounds. So I've connected my M-Audio Keystation 61 to the Miniengine USB, and I'm just going to play through a bunch of the patches so you can hear just how it sounds. So as you can see, the sounds aren't spectacular. I mean, for me, I could only see myself playing maybe the EPs and maybe the strings patch in any sort of actual playing setting. So don't expect too much. I mean, it's not going to compete with any of today's VSTs or keyboards. What you're getting is essentially the sound of a 90s, maybe late 80s keyboard, which for the beginner or the occasional backing gigging keyboardist might be fine. I found that the pianos weren't great, but if you're just learning to play, they're perfectly usable. And in the end, the main selling point of this device is its portability. So you don't want to forget that. So is it for you? I don't know, that totally depends on where you are in terms of the kind of sounds that you need. In terms of portability, I think it's a no-brainer. The sounds might not be great, but there are definitely some workable sounds in there that could be useful for practice or even for the occasional gig. And at $60, it's not that expensive. Now, there are a ton of competing products around that price point with similar features, some of them throwing a full-size audio jack or similar features. So take a look and see for yourself. Thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and turn on notifications so you know when I post more videos like this. My name is DJ Clem and I'll see you on the next video.